Starline Pro Immobiliser on a 72 plate Jaguar I-Pace. So if a thief got this key, done a relay attack, went to steal it, they're going to get in. When they select a gear, you're going to see the vehicle go from ready to off, and they're going to be unable to drive away. So we've just put it in reverse, vehicle switched off. Easiest way to use this system is have your phone paired. So we'll just turn the Bluetooth on this phone. When you leave the vehicle, no need to turn it off. As soon as you walk away, it's going to go out of range. So hop in, phone can be locked in your pocket, get in, start the car. You hear a disarm tone and you can drive away. Vehicle stays ready. You could drive off, no need to waste time using a code. For instances where your phone's gone flat, you've left it at home, you're unable to use that to disarm, you'll start the car up, go for a unique code. For now, for the video, we just have 1, 2, 3. Hear that disarm tone, we can select our gear and drive off. These codes can be totally unique to the customer with a minimum of 3 presses, a maximum of 21 in any order. This system also can be paired to the phone, so 9 times out of 10, your Bluetooth's going to be on. You don't have to worry about turning it on and off. Just get in the car, start it, and drive away. If the customer wants to change the code on this, what they'll do is turn the ignition on, disarm the system. We have a phone in here at the minute, so it's done it automatically. We'll then press one of the buttons 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll turn the ignition off and then back on. We get 5 bleeps, it's ready to learn a new code. So we'll just set it to 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for a confirmation. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for a confirmation. And now we can turn the vehicle off. That's our new code set. So if we turn our Bluetooth off on our phone to test that code, we'll now start the car up, pop our new code in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Disarms, we can select our gear and drive off. If the customer wants to take it for a service, what they'll do is disarm the system, prove that it's them, then press one of the buttons 11 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ignition off, back on, we're going to get 2 bleeps. That's how you do it with the buttons or with the phone. Simply go into the app, press and hold till it goes yellow and let go. You get 2 bleeps, it does the same thing. When you get it back, if you've used your phone to put it in service mode, take it back out with the phone as well. So press and hold till it goes green. If you've used the buttons, just ignition on, pop your code in, 2 bleeps and it's active. So we'll give it 10 seconds to set and then just make sure that we've turned the system back on and the vehicle's protected. So we'll start the car. Didn't give it long enough, so we'll give it 10 seconds. Now if we start the car up, put it in gear, goes from ready to off and the vehicle's secure. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is a 73 plate Jaguar I-Pace. Thanks for watching.